Hi there, this is Maria Aguilar Cumberland, and I am here to do my very first ever video on the QuickBooks Mobile App. I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to get those source documents into your QuickBooks file on the go. A little bit about me. I am an accountant slash bookkeeper slash advanced QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor slash actually any accounting product advisor, and happen to love QuickBooks and QuickBooks Online in particular. I do use it for my own business, and I absolutely love the QuickBooks Mobile App feature. You do get the mobile app free when you have a subscription. You have to have either Simple Start, Essentials, or Plus, and paid subscriptions in order to take advantage of the QuickBooks mobile app. So I'm just going to get to it. And again, this is my very first video, so if it's kind of cookie or whatever, please bear with me and forgive me. And I would love any feedback, actually. So wish me luck. Okay, so just getting to it. You're looking at my phone. I do have an Android-based phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and I have already downloaded through Google Play. If you do have an iPad or iPhone, you're going to want to download it through iTunes. And yeah, to reap the benefits. So when you first open the QuickBooks mobile app, first thing that you're going to see is your recent activity, and this add a note with the plus sign. Okay, so this is how easy it is to get those source documents into your QuickBooks file. You do have the option of entering an expense, and this way you can take the picture and enter all the relevant information. But again, you would have to go through this. You're going to have to enter, which credit card it was, and the date, who did you pay, what kind of expenses this, who was it for, etc., etc. But since we're on the go, we don't really have a lot of time to do this. So this is where the add a note feature comes in, and I absolutely love. And again, it's the first thing that you see. It's at the very top of the list. You open the mobile app, add a note, and let's get to it. So you're going to see the paperclip here with the plus sign. This is where you're going to attach or take a picture of the source document. I am actually going to take a picture of a receipt that I have here. Sorry, apologize for that. But you do want to make sure that you're going to get all the information in here and that it's in focus. You want to see the vendor, the amount, and the date. That's very important to have, especially. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of that. Hopefully it was focused and you get all the information you need from there, and you do. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and select OK. If it wasn't focused and there was an issue with the picture, whatever the case, you can always just select retry. And also, both apps, the iPhone and Google Play app, will look a bit different, but this feature is on both. So going back to this, I'm just going to go ahead and write a quick note for reference and to help my bookkeeper on the other end be able to book this source document properly. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put Dunkin' Donuts meeting, business meeting. We want to make sure it's business related, remember, to write off. Business meeting with Tina. Okay, now. Okay, so Dunkin' Donuts business meeting with Tina on future projects, whatever the case. Okay, so just a little something here to help either myself when I'm ready to enter these transactions, whenever I have the time to enter these transactions, or for my bookkeeper on the other end to be able to post to QuickBooks. Okay, so I'm just going to select done, and it's as easy as that. Okay, So the note is saved. It is now living in our QuickBooks file on the other end. And in order to get to that here, just to show you, I already have the QuickBooks Online file open. This is a sample company that I do happen to use for demonstrations, and I'm just going to do like a reload because I'm not sure this is the one that I just uploaded, because I do see here that it's already linked to other transactions, to other expenses. There we go. Okay, so this point here is, sorry about that. In order to get to this list in where all the attachments are going to be located, really, is you're going to go up to the gear icon right here and go to attachments. Okay, so that's there. You can drag and drop your files here as well and also attach them by selecting the icon here. It should open up the windows. Yep, there you go. All right, so okay, so at this point, we got our attachments on this list, our source document, and you can either get to this later on, sit down and start attaching and making sure those transactions are getting posted into the account, or your bookkeeper on the other end is going through this, and you can either edit, delete, you can create an invoice, or you can create an expense directly from this attachments list, which I think is great. Now this is not the mobile app related at this point. This is on the other end and what you're going to want to do with the transaction or with the source document, I apologize. So you're just going to want to enter the relevant information here, and oh, sorry about that. Don't want to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I select the right one. Blah, blah, blah. It's going to auto-populate, and there we go. Important part here is the source document is attached to this particular transaction already, and you're just going to save and close. That easy. There you go. It's easy as that. Just a refresher, I would like to show just how easy. Open the mobile app, add a note, attach the note, and voila. And write a little something and then just save and you're done. Literally can take less than a minute. So again, hope you got a little something out of this and hope to see you in the future, and just give me any feedback. Again, cut me some slack here. This was my first video, but look forward to having some more. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.